Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to put two filters in one story. And the first thing you need to know is you need to have like the option of recording your screen, the screen of your phone for this tutorial. Or if you don't have a option in your phone for recording your screen, you can download a screen in the Play Store, application of recording a screen of your phone. And after you got this application, and you can recording your and you can recording your screen. The only thing you need to do is find this video. You need to recording a first video, a first story, with the first filter, and after that you can put another filter here. You can put in this option of the stars in the superior part of the app, and after that you can choose another filter, and you can put another filter in front of the first filter in this video. So this is the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.